Hi friends, this is Sushil here and welcome back to my YouTube channel Beef Innovative. Today's session is going to be about research report. Research report is a document that is very important for an investor to understand about a particular stock and what the analysts are recommending about a particular stock. The zero brokerages normally don't have the service of providing the research report, and the full service brokers, for example, the HDFC Securities, ICICI Securities, or maybe SBI Cap Securities, they have their own analyst, well-known analyst who do the study, and they come up with their recommendations about a particular stock. So when they come up with a particular recommendation, they release the research report with their comments about whether to buy, accumulate, sell, or hold this particular stock. And also they put forward their conclusion about a particular stock. So this research report is a very important document. So how do we get this particular research report for free over internet? So let us see how to download this document over internet. Okay. So this is the website that you need to go. So it's Market Mojo. So when you go into Market Mojo, you need to log in with your email ID. You don't have to take any subscription feature. You can register for free, and when you register, you reach this particular homepage. So if you see here, there is a section called tab called Recos, which is recommendations. Okay, so when you click on recommendations, what happens is like a page gets opened where they display about the broker ratings. So we have the list of large cap brokers, mid cap brokers, and small and micro cap brokers. Okay, below that you can see that there are well-known brokers and their recommendation about a specific company, what is the price and when they recommended it, and what is the target. Okay, and also what is the percentage returns we are expecting from that. Below that you can see a view report link, which is the link to the research report they have generated. Okay, so this is a research report released by Prabhudas Liladhar, and this was released on 29th of July. And here they have recommended what is the rating and what is the current price and what is the target price. So this document you can download it as well and keep it in your local laptop or machines. Okay, so this is how we download this particular research report. Now what happens, you have so much filters here. Okay, so if you want to search based on large cap, market cap, and if you want to search based on the most recent research reports, you can put it like click here last 1 week, what are research reports that were released in last 1 week. And if you want to see specific brokers research report, for example Anand Rathi is one of the well-known brokers. So if you want to see his recommendations, so you can accordingly check it. And if you want to see industry wise, that also you can search here. Okay. Now now having said that, let us see how to search for a particular stock. So I have taken all recommendations, around 17,000 recommendations are there in this one. So suppose if I want to search for HDFC Bank recommendation. So if I search here, there are two search buttons. One is search companies and there is another one search recommendations. So if I click HDFC Bank, I get HDFC Bank. Okay. So when I select HDFC Bank, it will display whichever brokers have recommended about HDFC and release search report. It will be displayed here. Okay, so here if you see recommendation and when this particular recommendation was done, okay, and what is the current price and what is the target price, that will be mentioned here. So if you see here, this is a research report. So similarly, whichever stock you want to check, and if you want to download a particular research report, that you can search in search recommendation and accordingly you can download it. Okay, so this is how it works, and this is completely free. You don't have to pay anything to Market Mojo for availing this service. And I hope this video is helpful for you, and you get to know about research reports that you're looking for. So if you like this video, please like this video, share with your friends, and also please subscribe to my channel. And until we meet again, happy investing. Thank you so much.